Nolo Family Law Online Forms Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people assume family law documents require expensive attorneys, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides affordable, easy-to-use online forms. Nolo's family law forms start at $99 per document for one-time access. Alternatively, you can subscribe to their all-access plan for $99 per month, which gives unlimited access to all forms, including divorce, custody, support, and name change documents. Each form includes step-by-step instructions and state-specific guidance. For example, a parent seeking custody can complete a court-ready petition online in under an hour, ensuring it meets legal requirements. Platform reduces errors and simplifies the process, saving money and stress compared to hiring an attorney for routine forms. Most users find that Nolo's forms are straightforward, cost-effective, and time-saving. The subscription model is particularly useful for individuals handling multiple legal matters. In conclusion, Nolo Family Law Online Forms provide excellent value for individuals managing family legal matters. With transparent pricing, guided instructions, and a wide range of forms, it makes navigating family law practical and affordable.